Hello everyone, Kolonji Murray with TaxAssurances. Just wanted to do a quick helpful video around the difference between a W-2 and a 1099, especially for young people that are just filing for tax return for the first time, or even older people that may have been working at a job for years and then suddenly they find themselves in a situation where they're independent contractors for one reason or another, and they're getting what are called 1099s. So to distinguish between the two, first, a W-2 is for summarizing what someone made as a salaried employee at a job for the full year. So that W-2 is going to reflect what was made in terms of gross income. Most importantly, for someone like me, it's going to show how much was paid in federal tax withholdings. It's also in situations where people have to pay state taxes. It's going to show how much they paid in state taxes. It's also going to show how much were paid in tips. It's going to show how much were paid in Social Security taxes, Medicare taxes, all sorts of taxes, as well as income. So that is the role that a W-2 plays in the tax preparation process. When it comes to a 1099, that simply shows that you were an independent contractor or you had your own business, and you got paid by an entity of some sort, and then they're going to send that 1099 to show you in total what you received for the year. So say for instance you work for a school district doing after school work or contract work, where you came in and did some consulting work or something like that, or let's say you work for a company like Lyft or Uber or one of the ride-sharing companies that are out there, and they provide you with a 1099 that summarizes what you made for the year. The important part is you get that information, whether it's a W-2 or a 1099, and you report that information on your tax return. Don't think that if you just get that, you don't have to report that, and here's why. For both the W-2 and the 1099, the summary of what you were paid is going to be sent to the IRS and to the state that you worked in, to let them know the same time they're letting you know what you got paid for the full year. And if you gave them your tax ID number, if you gave them your Social Security number, it is attached to that. So that'll be in the IRS database, that'll be in the state database. So they're gonna know from that entity what you got paid. So again, that's another reason why it's critically important that when it comes to your tax return, that you report that information again to the IRS and to the state. Obviously, if you've got more questions, by all means, you can reach out. But until then, talk to you soon.